So welcome all of you in our YouTube channel Electrical Appliances Knowledge World and myself Kapil Soni, and in this video we will discuss about the synchronous motor, synchronous generator and synchronous generator machine. So what is a synchronous machine? Synchronous machine is a machine which rotate at a constant speed, and this speed is known as synchronous speed. In this machine, rotor rotate at the same speed in which field winding flux rotate in the motor. So this motor is also known as sequence or synchronous machine. And in this video we will discuss about the various type of synchronous machine. And in this video we discuss about two types of synchronous machine. First is salient pole synchronous machine and another is cylindrical pole synchronous machine. So first, basically what is a synchronous machine? Synchronous machine is a normal machine which rotates at synchronous speed, and in synchronous machine we use excitation on rotor and separately excitation on field winding. And in large and medium synchronous machine we place armature winding on stator or field, and field winding is placed on rotor. And in armature winding we use 3-phase AC supply for excitation, and for field excitation we use DC supply like a small DC induction generator for the excitation of field winding of a synchronous machine. And in the following figure we will show a rotor of salient pole synchronous machine. And in the following figure we will also show the excitation process of a synchronous machine, because it is a double excited machine in which we provide separately excitation on field winding and separately excitation on armature winding in both. For field winding excitation we use a separately induction or any type of generator. It may be large and small. And in synchronous machine we place field winding on armature, or armature winding is placed on rotor, because there is a main reason of this purpose. Because first is we provide 3-phase AC supply to armature, and it is hard when we place armature winding on armature, and how we provide supply to armature. So the work is too lengthy for the excitation process, so we place armature winding on field or stator to easy our work and easy to operate and smooth to operation. And field winding is placed on the armature, and we provide a separately generator excitation to field winding in the synchronous motor and synchronous generator. And in the following figure we will also show the armature winding of a synchronous machine, which is placed on the stator of a synchronous machine, and we provide a reason before. And to reduce the complexity in synchronous motor and generator we place the armature winding on stator, and we also provide 3-phase supply to armature winding for induced man field flux on synchronous machine when at the time of its operation. And now we will discuss about the difference between salient pole and non-salient pole, means cylindrical type rotor. So we study some basic and some hard differences between of them, salient pole and cylindrical pole rotor, and there's a following. And now we will discuss about the difference between silent pole and non-silent pole synchronous machine. So first, non-silent pole synchronous machine as rotor is cylindrical in shape, and in non-silent pole machine we use distributed winding on the rotor, and their number of poles is less than compared to the silent pole cylindrical rotor, and this machine are used for high speed operation, but silent pole synchronous machine is used for low speed operation. And in the following figure we will discuss the systematic diagram of both types of machine. First, outer layer is or outer part is stator frame, and another is silent pole, and in both we are use distributed winding, but in silent pole we use concentrated winding for produce poles. But in and now we will discuss the comparison between silent pole and cylindrical rotor type synchronous machine in systematic way. So first difference is in silent pole type large diameter and small axial length, but in cylindrical rotor type small diameter but large axial length, because in silent pole rotor we set the poles in rotor, but in cylindrical type motor we does not set or preset the poles in motor. So the diameter of silent pole is larger and cylindrical pole type synchronous motor is small. And in silent type synchronous motor and generator has non-uniform air gap due to the large diameter and small axial length, but in cylindrical type synchronous motor has uniform air gap, and in silent pole type rotor vertically axis type, but cylindrically rotor type synchronous motor is horizontal axis type. And salient pole type synchronous motor is suitable for low speed hydro generator, and cylindrical type rotor is used for high speed turbo alternators, and generator of synchronous machine is known as alternator. And in salient pole type synchronous machine we needs damper winding for provide mechanical control or stability, or to provide mechanical control in silent pole type motor, but in cylindrical type motor we does not require any type of damper winding. And in silent pole type motor windage loss is higher, because in this we use concentrated winding, so the requirement of copper and other type of material which is used in windage work or winding work, so at the time of losses windage losses is increases in silent type pole synchronous machine or motor and generator, but in cylindrical rotor type machine windage losses is lower, because in this we use distributed winding for our operation, so at the time we reduce the losses in cylindrical type rotor. So thank you, and in this video we will discuss the basic of synchronous machine and its type, like silent type poles rotor type synchronous machine and cylindrical type rotor synchronous machine, and difference between of them, and excitation system of a synchronous machine. So thank you for So thank you for watching our video, and like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Electrical Appliances Knowledge World, and press the bell icon for upcoming video notifications.